Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start right away. Power the Airtel 4G dongle and wait until the status LED shows ready. Next, connect your phone or laptop to the dongle's Wi-Fi or plug in via USB so you have an interface. Once connected, open a browser and type 168.168.1.1. This is the local admin portal. Log in using the default credentials printed under the dongle or in the manual. You need access to change security settings and the current password. Once inside the admin portal, navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings and find the security section. Choose WPA2PSK for best compatibility and security because it protects devices without extra complexity. Enter a strong new password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols at least 8 characters, so brute force becomes impractical. If you want, change the SSID to something recognizable. Make sure you click Save or Apply. The device will commit the change, and you'll need to reconnect using the new credentials. After saving, reboot the dongle to ensure settings fully apply. You can power cycle or use the reboot option in the portal. Then reconnect each device using the new SSID/password and verify internet access by loading a web page. To avoid lockouts, update any devices that use the hotspot automatically. If you cannot log into the admin portal, press and hold the reset pin for about 10 seconds to restore defaults. Once reset, repeat the login and password change steps immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.